So jumping rope is a full body exercise that when mastered, it's not as hard as it looks. It's more about keeping a nice soft body and flipping your wrist around and moving your whole body. And it's one of the best cardio activities that you can do on the planet. So you want to learn how to jump rope? Check out our jump rope video and we will show you how to jump rope from the start. So it doesn't matter what level you're at, as long as you're moving around. And look, if you're not jumping rope, you can start with just your hands and pushing up the balls of your feet. So you just, like I'm saying, it's not about jumping, it's about hopping and landing on the balls of your feet instead of jumping. You don't want to pick your feet up in the air. You want to just kind of push off the balls of your feet so you're able to, it's kind of like jogging in place. Pretend that you're jumping with the rope in both hands. You go side to side. You can do lots of different things in there. You can do crisscross. You can do squats and add things into your jump rope that makes it a full body workout that burns a ton of calories, and you can have fun while you're doing it and learn something new every time.